A sausage and 2 potatoes. You'll crave this every night. Let's start by adding 2 potatoes to a pan, cover with water, and cook until tender. Once cooked, remove the potato skins using a fork. Next, add some salt. Use as much as you like. Now mash it thoroughly. Use a masher or a fork. Then add some Tuscan sausage. Use any sausage you prefer. I used about 2 links. Now mix it all together. Then add some breadcrumbs. Not too much, just enough to bind. Take small amounts with a spoon and shape them. I'm making small balls. Repeat with the rest and put them in the fryer. Close the air fryer and cook at 180 degrees Celsius until golden. Look how amazing these potato and sausage balls are. Make them at home. Everyone will love them. I hope you enjoyed this. Another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hug. See you next time and thanks.